All right, guys, we got some booths coming in. Check this out. Custom-made booths. This gentleman here has manufactured these booths. I saw the framework in these the other day. Super solid. I gotta tell you.
Okay.
You tell me this isn't gonna be beautiful. Very nice. I don't want to unwrap them because I don't want them to get too dusty.
Solid. Very solid.
Yeah? Let's see how comfy they are. Oh man, these are comfortable. Very comfortable.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
He's laughing at me. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. We got to take these upstairs, I know, but this guy had to clear his shop out. We have so many booths coming in here, guys. We can't keep them down here with all this dust. So we're going to force these poor gentlemen to carry them up the steps. It's just got to be done, guys. There's no way I'm going to have these brand new booths all dusty. You guys be careful. Oh, here's our custom bar stools. Check this baby out. All right, you give it a try there, Mercy. Your margarita on that stool? All right. Very good, very good. That's the original. This is the one he modeled it after. I mean, it's not an identical product, but it looks close enough. The seating area and everything is a proper butt size. That has a better feel? Yeah. The new one's better, Mercy says. She likes the feel better. And here is a headboard for the queen size beds that we're putting in the rooms. There's a sample headboard. Again, I don't want to unwrap these right now. You guys will see them later. I want to keep them free of dirt and dust. There we go. Another good delivery today. Thank you, sir. Great job. Quite a few of these rolling in today. Not all of it though. He's got about half a load today. We are going about 95% booths in the restaurant bar area. We only plan on having 2 tables inside the restaurant. Everything else will be booths. We'll have some overflow tables outside along the hallway, outside here in the hallway area, lobby area of the hotel rather. The first delivery of the booths today. Very excited. These are some really well-made booths. I got to tell you, I am super pleased with these. Also, before you guys start asking, yes, these are leather. This is not vinyl. We went all out with the leather, guys. Bar is coming along nicely, guys. Bar is getting there. We are going into the restaurant bathroom here. And we are doing some tile work here in the bathroom as well. We got the walls coming in. Very good. Good job, guys. All right, guys, getting this oven a little test here. We had it all piped up. There's the box where the flames are, all the hot box part of it. And it's so solid. You don't even feel the heat from this yet. This thing only took like 2 or 3 minutes to get up to over 300 degrees now. I know the lighting is not the best right here, but it's almost to 350, and I don't even have it turned up. This thing, I was just playing it by ear, but you can see the adjustment here. I can lower and raise this and adjust this heat very easily with this knob. This is high, it's blasting. I don't need it high, it doesn't take that much. I got about on medium heat just to warm this oven up. If I needed something really quick done, I guess I could crank it up and get this oven heated up properly, quickly. I'll have to do a timing deal on it, see how long it takes from cold to hot. But right now I'm impressed. It is warming up quickly. I'm smelling that paint a little bit. The guy that built this and manufactured it for us said give it a 30-minute burn to get all that paint smell to go away. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna give it a little trial and let that paint get nice and seasoned on there, I guess you could say. I put some rubber feet on here to protect the floor and also to give it some kind of little cushion as well, so it's level. Those are the same rubber feet I use on my couch at home. I brought those from home to throw on there. But yeah, so far so good. And it's not putting a whole lot of heat off on the outside. Honestly, I can touch this. It's not even, it's slightly warm. It is slightly warm. It's up to almost 400 now. Come here and touch this oven. Just touch the outside of it.
No, it's not hot.
Not hot at all, is it? Very well insulated. Yeah, maybe in certain little parts, but overall, you would think this thing maybe wouldn't be insulated that well, but that's just the box that holds all the gas stuff. But yeah, it is not hot, guys. The only time this heat's coming out is when I open that door.
Yeah.
It is very, very well made. What's going on, guys? We're over at Crew Cook. Time to eat after being at the hotel all day. Mercy is getting hangry on me.
Yeah, I'm
And
so hungry. And this chicken, guys, is...
This is some of the best roasted chicken. You're not showing the label. You got to show the label. So you got to have her a Stella.
My best friend today, Stella.
Yeah, got to have her a Stella after sitting at the hotel and restaurant all day watching everybody get things done. It's quite exciting. So here we are, right here on Zeppelin, real close to our place. Right across from the 7-Eleven where Mercy does her Zumba. There is a place called the Crew Cook. And we love this chicken, guys. We had this chicken for, what did we have this for? Your birthday party. We chopped this stuff up. We had them chop up a bunch of this at Mercy's birthday party over at Fat Drake's, along with Amigos that night. We had Amigos that night, and then we thought, yeah, we may not have enough Amigos for everybody, so what can we do? We stopped here and got this.
We have a Filipinos friend, so they won't probably...
Well, sure, we needed to make sure everybody, you know, wanted to get something good to eat. So we want to include something besides the Mexican Amigos. But you know what? Everybody loved the Amigos. Didn't matter.
Everybody.
Didn't matter if we had chicken or not, but we ate it all. Everybody ate it. This chicken was a hit. And ever since then, we've been coming here and eating this more often. They have roasted garlic. We like that the best. $3.95 for roasted garlic chicken. They have a honey mustard as well. I haven't tried that, but I really like the roasted garlic. That's one of my favorites. And that's pretty much what they do here. They have chicken, and then there's some pork belly and all that going on too, but they focus on the chicken. I talked to the owner of this little place a little while back, and he stated that, because there's a lot of this going on in town, there's roasting chicken all over the place. I said, what makes yours different? And he said his is bigger. The chickens are bigger. And I think they are. I mean, I've eaten other roasted chickens elsewhere. Give you a look. He said his are a little bit bigger than the rest. And here's how it's done. Right there. If you guys could just smell this. It smells delicious. They got like a little pork belly over here ready to go too. But they season this up just right. I get some garlic rice with this, put a little toyo mansi on it. Delicious every time. We just get it to go. We sit at home after a long day and just eat this chicken like mad. We'll finish this whole chicken off, not a problem. She'll help me, but
Oh yeah.
we'll no problem, half a chicken each.
Especially today, it's nothing left today.
Nothing left today. We'll see about that. Anyway, we'll get this to go And we'll go back to our place and eat this, and we'll show you what this is all about. They usually chop it all up for me real good before we take it out, so I'm not having to deal with it. But yeah, they're getting us set up here with some Toyo Mansi already. I'm going to double up on that, and just a wonderful experience having roasted chicken out of this place, guys. It's everywhere. Like I said, this roasted chicken all up and down the street. This is my favorite. Got to give them a try. True cook. Again, where's the sign? Let me show the sign. This little chicken sign right here. If you see this sign riding down Zeppelin, try their chicken. It is awesome. Got a nice little sign up here. That's where you get your roasted chicken, guys, right here. Looks like right here I noticed a couple little deals here on the wall. They got a pork barbecue meal for 50 pesos. I don't know if that's still going on or not, but you talk about a deal. I'm sure it's a couple barbecue sticks and a little cup of rice or something. I'm gonna ask. Then they have a pork barbecue 35 right here. Probably 35 per little skewer. And they also have some belly chawn up here, which, man, I'd love some of that, but I don't see anything out here, so I'll have to ask about that as well. And liempo, grilled liempo. That's what's over here, waiting on the top rack. But yeah, I didn't see the belly chawn here. It's kind of off to the side. See if I can get the camera to focus in on it better. The light, there we go. And that's 1,200 a kilo. 600 half kilo on the belly chawn. All right, so I wasn't reading close enough. Up here at the top of the menu, you may have already noticed it, but I didn't. The belly chawn is required one-day reservation to get that. That's why I don't see any of it out here. They cook that on order. So you got to order that. I bet it's delicious here because the chicken's delicious here. Chicken is delicious and juicy, unlike others I've tried, a little dried out. And it's always been cooked all the way down to the bone. I've never had any blood on the bone from this place, ever. And I've eaten it several times. But cooked to perfection, juicy every time. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Guys, here's my regular guy here. What's your name again, friend?
Arby.
Arby?
Yes.
Arby? Like Arby?
Arby, E-R-B-3-I-N. Arby.
All right, I thought it was like Arby's. I love Arby's. Yeah, this dude here is always taking care of me. He's got his helper here tonight. Maybe when he's not here. He can't be here all the time, right?
I'm here, but I'm going to Senate to my office. I pick up the guy.
Oh, okay. So you have stuff to do sometimes. But look at this chicken, guys. Look at this deliciousness. It is so good and juicy. Check that out. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Look, I can't wait to eat this. Yeah, it smells so good. The herbs they use on it, the garlic, delicious. Oh yeah. Anyway, just wanted to make sure you got on film because you're my normal guy that takes care of me, right? I want to make sure you came in a little late. What's your name?
Boyet. Boyet.
Boyet?
Yes.
All right, Boyet, he did a great job as well, but I'm just used to Arby here taking care of me.
Yes.
But yeah, delicious as always. I'm telling everybody to come over here and try your chicken out in town. They're missing out if they don't. This stuff is good. All right, we're gonna go break into this chicken here in a minute, guys, and tell you how it tastes. I know how it's gonna taste. I can tell you right now, it will be delicious. All right, we are enjoying our chicken. How is it, hon?
Baby.
Finger licking good?
Yum. Yum, yum.
Oh my gosh, she couldn't wait for me. Look at this.
I was hungry.
She already stripped a couple bones here and didn't even wait for me.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I got mine waiting here. This is the way I do it. I put some Toyo Mansi on there with those red chilies. Delicious, guys, every time you do that. And that chicken right here. Look how nice. Look how juicy. Let me pull this apart for you a little bit. You could just see how juicy this is and tender. I don't want to burn my finger, but maybe I'll chance it. I got to show you.
It's good.
Never dry at this place here.
No.
Look at this. It's just so moist, delicious. Oh my gosh. Just falls apart. Just falls apart.
Very juicy.
I don't know how long they marinate that, but it goes through the meat. The flavor. It's just not on top. It's all infused. It's one thing I like about it. Final words?
Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your kind comments. I'll see you in the next video.
Yes.